Okay, this says a cannon is set on a frictionless surface. So you have a cannon that's set on a frictionless surface. Whenever you have this cannon, it's going to shoot, it says it shoots 12 shots per second for 3 seconds. So we know there's 36 total shots. So if we know there's 36 total shots, and it says that a 1 kilogram projectile is initially motionless, so we have the mass is given as 1 kilogram. And we have the fact that it is initially motionless, or VI is 0. And then it says it's fired at 100 meters per second. So the final velocity ends up being 100 meters per second. So now we know that this whole thing occurs over 3 seconds. So if we look at this, we have our information that we can say Ft equals mvf minus mvi. And what we're trying to solve for is the force. Now, we are trying to solve for the force that's exerted on each of the cannon shots. And when we do that, we can then say, hey, equal and opposite forces say, if you're doing this for one, you got to do it for the other. So we're going to go ahead and just plug in this 36 in for the mass, and it's going to simplify our problems. Because if you're shooting 36 1 kilogram shots, that's the exact same thing as shooting one 36 kilogram shot. So we say that F, and then we're going to say T, and our T is 3 seconds, is equal to M, which is 36, times VF minus VI. So we have F is equal to 3600 over 3, or the force that's exerted is 1200 newtons. Now, if I were being a stickler in terms of direction, the direction of the cannon would actually be negative, because what you're solving for when you get this positive number is the force that's exerted on the cannon shots.